With the ongoing pandemic, electricity plays an important role more than ever, powering our homes during this difficult period. And despite the challenges, the country's largest power distribution company carries on with their mission of bringing electrification to every community. With the looming threat of COVID-19, life had to adapt to what is called the new normal, where all work and school now being done at home. But to be productive in this new world of ours, power and electricity is crucial. 26-year-old Meishi Arguelles knows all too well how difficult it is to be living in the dark while raising her two children.
Sobra po, nahirapan ho sila yung paypay ho sa gabi. Kada gabi, paypay. Pag tuwing gabi, bukas lang po yung gasera, pinapalitan lang po namin. And then, pag dating na umaga, labas naman, doon may papahangin lang sa labas para lang makaraos po sa araw-araw na walang kuryente.
Meishi is no stranger when it comes to challenging living conditions. After all, she and the rest of Barangay Santa Mercedes in Maragondon, Cavite, a community of relocatees, have long struggled, relying on farming and fishery for their livelihood that barely even made ends meet.
Ang source lang ho namin ng liwanag doon, nagtatsaga lang ho kami sa mga gasera. Talaga napakahirap po, lalo-lalo sa mga bata tuwing nag-aaral.
After the landowners decided to develop the property, Meishi, along with a majority of the community, were relocated in Barangay Pinagsanhan, more than half an hour away from their coastal settlement. Things even seemed to look up as they finally had access to the utility that they've longed for the most, electricity.
Kinabitan sila ng ilaw through Meralco for so many years. 2-3 years, ang nagbabayad sa Meralco ay ang Santa Mercedes bill. Sino-shoulder.
But despite the provision of power, the community, however, failed to pay their monthly fees.
Binigyan sila ng isang taon, let's say isang taon na libre. Ang nagbayad ni Birata. Succeeding years ba, bayaran nyo na. Sa tumagal ng tumagal, hindi na sila nagbayad.
Unable to pay their dues, the utility that brought a silver of comfort to their lives was eventually cut.
So sa kadahilanan niya ho na parang ang mga tao ay hindi rin sumusunod sa part nila na para makabayad sa kuryente, yun na ho, dumating na ho yung pagkakataon na kami ho ay maputulan ng kuryente.
As much as possible sana, ayaw naman natin magdi-disconnect tayo eh. We even, we showed yung parang leniency on the collection side, pero kumbaga parang nasagad na siya.
Unwilling to let the entire community of Barangay Santa Mercedes suffer through a pandemic without any access to power, the local government of Maragondon decided to step in.
Pumasok ang Meralco Foundation. Nakipag-compromise ako sa kanila, tulungan natin.
The plea did not fall onto deaf ears, and the power distribution company, through the help of its corporate foundation, quickly acted upon the request.
Itong household electrification ng One Meralco Foundation ay isa sa aming pinaka-importanteng proyekto sapagkat talagang dinadala nito ang serbisyo ng electricity, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga mahihirap na kababayan dito sa Meralco franchise area. Ang One Meralco Foundation ang tumutulong doon sa mga mahihirap na households, sa kanilang mga gastusin sa pag-apply ng electricity service. Samantalang ang Meralco naman ay talagang naglalatag yan ng facilities.
To avoid the mistakes of the past that may lead to another disconnection, the LGU and the Power Distribution Company, through its corporate foundation, coordinated closely and created sensible terms that the community will be able to adhere to.
Binigyan natin si CAP ng means, paano ba nila pwedeng bayaran? So we offered installment payment. With the commitment naman ni CAP na matatapos nilang bayaran ito, tinuloy natin yung project para at least matapos yung payment ng utang at magkaroon na ng sariling power yung mga communities.
And despite the challenges brought upon by the pandemic and lockdown restrictions, the power distribution company still went the extra mile and installed individual electric meters to each community member's home. More than powering their homes, a renewed sense of responsibility has also been instilled.
Some people do their obligations to pay the bill, while others don't. So nangyayari, nadadami ngayon yung iba. So yung clamor para magkaroon ng individual meters to have their own responsibility para doon sa kanilang service.
And with access to electricity, the residents of Barangay Santa Mercedes have now become productive citizens, able to set up their own small businesses like Meishi, who now works as a seamstress right at the comfort of her home.
Meron naman pong dumating yung TESDA, nagbigay sa amin ng tulong para po kami magkaroon ng training at magkaroon kami ng hanap buhay.
Since its inception in 2011, the Household Electrification Program has continuously transformed and empowered communities.
Na kumita po ako ng kahit pa paano, meron po akong mga bibili ng diaper at saka ng gatas ng bata. Buti nga po, meron patahi. Kasi kung wala, nako. Buti nga, araw-araw naman po, at kahit pa paano, nakakaraos naman po kami sa pananahin.
The program not only empowers marginalized communities, but also promotes their inclusive growth and productivity.
I think it's about uplifting lives. No? While we power businesses, we should ensure that the manpower or the people that power these businesses are also living a good life. It's about powering a good life for our citizenry so that they can support the economy.
And even with the challenges of the current pandemic, the Power Distribution Company and its corporate foundation remains committed in its mission of bringing light to those who are in the dark.
Ang nagudyok sa One Meralco Foundation is yung commitment natin na talagang dalin ang serbisyo ng electricity, lalong-lalo na sa mga mahihirap nating kababayan. In fact, no, by the end of 2020, baka naka 50,000 bahay na ang nalagyan ng One Meralco Foundation ng electricity dahil sa ating household electrification program.
Nung mayroon na pong kuryente, laking tulong po talaga sa amin.
Pinaliliwanag po namin na ito na ho yung isang obligasyon natin. Dahil si Meralco ay tumulong sa atin, ibigay din natin yung parte natin para matulungan natin yung ginawa ni Meralco sa ating pagbibigay ng kuryente.
Join us again next week as we share more inspiring stories of communities and people whose lives have changed for the better. For comments, suggestions, and updates, do follow us on Facebook at Business Matters PH. I'm Pinky Webb, and this is Business Matters, where doing good is good